Hi there. I am representing WebTrackOfficial.com. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.com. In this video I am going to show you how you can delete unused images in WordPress, because if your images aren't compressed, they takes too much space on server. I've made a tutorial on how to speed up your website, including how can you compress your images to remove server load. If you haven't watched that video yet, watch it here. Alright. Now here you can see I am currently in my dashboard, and I have 369 media items in my library. Now if you want to delete an image file that is not in use, you will just click on it, scroll down, and click Delete Permanently. But what if you are not sure about the images if they are in use or not? You will not go through your website again and again in order to check if they are in use or not. So what you need to do is, click on this drop down, and simply select Unattached. What this option will do, it will look through your website and your media library to see how many images are unattached, and show it here. Now simply click on Bulk Select, and mark all the images now, because now we are sure that the images are unattached. Now, just scroll up, and click Delete Permanently. Click OK. And the unattached images will start deleting. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.